And here we are, Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio, 419-238-2732. Looking at this beautiful 2015 EZGO TXT with the 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. Does have the orange ghost flame body on it, coupled with the Jake's long travel lift kit. And boy, is this thing sharp, as you can see how it pops right there. It does have the street legal or base street legal package on it, which gives you horn, turn signals, four-way flashers, as you can see there. We'll have a windshield and a 5-panel mirror on it. Also comes with the LED headlights, tail lights, turn signals, like I said. So put together very, very well. Lighted rear license plate bracket included in that our base street legal package. This thing has the 14-inch HD alloy wheels, black and silver, coupled with the 23x10x14 PRX all-terrain Desert Eagle tires. Check this Jake's long travel lift kit out. Boy, is it sharp. It is adjustable. Does have the chrome brush guard, and it does have a receiver hitch up front here. Man, this thing is sharp. Wow. Come around to the side here, show you the guts of it. Here we go. There's that 13.5 horse Kawasaki. Now what we do is we put a full tune-up on it, so it's got a brand new battery in it for you. It does have a brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter, spark plug, change the engine oil, change the engine filter. So it's ready to rock and roll for you. It does carry a 1-year dealer warranty on it as well, on everything with the exception of normal wear and tear, obviously. But hey, get out here. This thing is sharp. Don't let this one get by without coming out and taking it for a drive. As a matter of fact, speaking of taking it for a drive, let's go ahead and do that. So, and off we go. Yes. Wow. This thing is sharp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smooth. Like I said, get out here to 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Give us a call at 419-238-2732. Come out and check this orange ghost flame 2015 EZGO TXT gas golf cart out. I thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you.